What's up, guys? Today I'm out here in Maitland at the garden planting like crazy. What do you think I planted today? Well, we got squash, pumpkins, more squash, more pumpkins, more squash, more squash. So I'll show you. Butternut squash, done. More butternut squash, done. Acorn squash, done. Whatever this is, more butternut squash, done. Butternut squash, done. Pumpkins, done. Nasturtium, done as well. It's actually really windy right now, so I only got to plant the 55-foot long bed, so it's 200 square feet of squash, but it's windy and it's starting to rain, so I kind of got to run. Come back tomorrow, plant some carrots, beets, beans, more beans, more beets probably. I don't know what else I have. Zucchini. So a lot more left to go in the ground, but don't worry, it'll happen. Never leave your rake with the teeth up, or else you're gonna get, oh shit, get smacked. Oh. Try that again. Oh, okay. Woohoo, look at these plants. My beans, my Gold Rush yellow wax beans have sprouted. Boom, that was all this overnight, I guess. We put the irrigation in, soaked them. And they sprouted. These carrots. That's all weeds. There are no carrots there. Stinking carrots suck. They don't suck. They're just having a rough go. These little tomatillos. Flowers. Gorgeous. What else is growing? Cucumbers growing. Nice. Nice. And then, like, I don't know. There's some, our pumpkins are coming out. So that's exciting. Here. Pumpkins. This is just weeds. Weeds, but those are pumpkins. And then pumpkins. So that's exciting. So all the beds are pretty much full. We've got, like, I don't know, 50 feet of one bed that's yet to be filled, but other than that, it's all done. So this bed is all potatoes. We crushed that, me and Jack crushed that yesterday. That kind of sucked. But we got all the potatoes in. Hopefully they grow. I don't know. We still have, like, probably more than what we planted. We still have left to plant, so we're gonna have to make another bed just for potatoes. But it is what it is. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah, he is. Okay. The leaf-mobile. Plugged in. Here are all the potatoes that we didn't get to yesterday, which is like half of what we had all together. So still a lot more potatoes to plant. But our new garden bed is only probably gonna be ready in like 3 weeks. So we're thinking of just adding another one next to the potato bed we already have and just getting going with that. Which is gonna suck this week because it's just really hot, but whatever, so am I. So we live and we learn. Ooh, a boat! Nice. Nice. Shit shack. Yeah, bucket. Yeah. Cool, right? Right? I mean, that's like, there's not much else. Oh, I see the pier. Hell yeah. Snorkeled out there with Des. Last year, maybe? I don't know. 2 years ago? Super dope stuff in the water. Super dope. Pulled up with this chest. It was full of just rusty nails. Bunch of bricks. Pretty sweet. And the bush that grows like crazy. Everybody shout out the bush that grows like crazy. It grows like 2 feet a day. Kind of like me in grade 6. Good one, Walker.